Chemistry is one of Mount Mercy's newest majors. We are preparing future healthcare professionals, forensic scientists, researchers, and more, all right here in Cedar Rapids.
Our chemistry students have 3 possible tracks that they can study. We have chemistry, biochemistry, and forensic science, and our new laboratories are going to help them do that.
What we have right here is more than just a lab space. Students are able to focus on creative problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, and be able to perform research in a modern lab setting. And with that, what that does is that boosts their confidence. And when they're confident, they become more effective individuals out in the real world.
My name is Katie Huffer. I'm a biology and biochemistry major here at Mount Mercy. I had a lot of courses that I needed to take, and a lot of them were in these labs. They kind of helped me be prepared, and then you go job shadow or something. You're like, oh, this really looks like the lab that I was in, and I understand the things that are here and the things that I can use. When you're hands-on with it, it's a lot easier to apply that knowledge.
When we were able to renovate these labs, we asked ourselves, how can we bring the real world into the classroom? And I think that what you see now is our answer to that.
What we're doing here is we're venturing into new areas, and we can use this space in order to help them in this new research environment. It really enhances what we're doing here, and it enhances their learning experience.
And so hopefully that you can take those activities and be like, oh, I completely remember why we did that in lab. And not only can we expand our classes, but we can start to expand equipment. And so it makes me really happy, not just for myself, but for people that get to come up through the years.
In this renovation, we improved everything from the basic flow of the lab space to technology upgrades.
We also needed to make sure that we tried to find some increased storage. We needed to find better ways to dispose of chemicals, and we needed to improve the ventilation and the air handling.
And we added storage capacity that can accommodate future growth in the programs, and we made sure that the labs would be ADA compliant. Having a class setting that then morphs into a lab experiment, or even having sort of ad hoc study groups, these spaces really are going to facilitate that more informal learning process as well as more formal learning experiences.
What we have now is we have a safe environment, and it's a modern space that allows us to have some great teacher-student interactions and allows us to just improve education as a whole.
And it's not just the chemistry majors, it's the biology majors, the medical laboratory science majors, and all the pre-professional students who are going to benefit from these new lab spaces and classrooms.